Let's talk about the ALTRA280. It's really the highest sophisticated machine we can offer to you. It is made to print high performance and high temperature materials for high demanding prints as well. The printer itself is for aerospace industry, is for aircraft industry, is for railway industry. If you are thinking about the serial production of FDM parts, this printer can print very, very fast and very precise. It's really a printer which can be used as a production machine for 3D parts. What makes it special? If you're talking about high performance materials, we're talking about the chamber temperature and the controls of the thermal management inside of the printer. The machine is able to heat up within 45 minutes to that temperature. What is the most important thing, therefore, it is a very uniform and homogeneous heat distribution in the chamber. Means print bed 180 degrees, chamber itself 180 degrees, and we have a very special control of the hot air flow in the chamber, as we are using different fans which we can control separately, and that assures that the process zone where the print is ongoing is very, very homogeneous. And this is one of the main features what the ALTRA280 provides. Beside that, for sure, the extruder is heatable up to 450 degrees, really a masterpiece of engineering. It's a direct synchronized extrusion technology, which is developed by ourselves. Means we have double synchronized wheels for the feeding process. The print head or the extruder itself is made of aluminum with integrated cooling channels to avoid softening of the material, and we have a gear ratio for best or high torque. That means we can print very, very fast, and with one print head we are able to print very soft materials with shore hardness of up to 60A. But with the same print head we can print PEG or high-temp or PEG materials, and we can print ABS, and all with one and the same print head. And if we're talking about ABS, we are talking about 150-200 grams per hour, which we are able to print with that print head. So one extruder, all materials, and the best of the ALTRA280 is that we can use up to 4 extruders. So that means extruder 1, material runs out, it switches automatically to extruder 3, or extruder 2, you have some clogging problems, and switches automatically to extruder 4. And that means more or less you have an endless print, and you have a very, very high success rate of the printer. So this is really a masterpiece, and it is really like the motor in a car. It's really the heart of the ALTRA280, and insofar this gives a very, very reliable extrusion on that machine. So up to 4 extruders, very high sophisticated extrusion technology, heatable chamber, and another important factor is CNC technology, which we really brings into the 3D printing business. So we are talking about a welded frame which gives us stiffness in the machine, and that allows us to use up to these 4 extruders. Servo motors with absolute encoder, so we are very, very precise. The repeatability is very, very high, and for serial production or for prototyping, you can assure best print quality and best surface quality out of that machine. And we are talking about ball screws, which is state-of-the-art technology for the positioning of the machine. So all 3 factors are important for productivity, repeatability, and reliability. And together with the extrusion technology, the machine is really made for a best performance machine. And insofar we can say that we really bring this same CNC technology to a 3D printer, and that results really in the ALTRA280 as a high performance, high reliable printer for different use cases, for different applications, and at the end the payback of the machine, in case that you use it, therefore is really excellent. So overall the ALTRA280 is made for a wide range of applications, because you can assure that what you expect of that machine, you will get out of it.